Realtor friends, Realtor family, do these 5 things this year. If you commit to the 5 things behind me this year, you will make 6 figures if you do them on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. If you're a rock star, you'll work the weekends too, because we know when you're building something, put in more time up front and you shorten the learning curve and you shorten that time span to start getting results. Okay? This is what you got to do. It's super simple. Any of you can implement it. You comment below, commit if you're going to commit. All right, let's start. Number 1. 50 plus contacts a day. Yes, new contacts. Talk to 50 new people every single day. I did this as my standard the first 2 or 3 years that I was in the business before I started building my team. And after a while, it became easy and automatic. It may sound like a lot. You may have only done 5 or 10 in a day, but once you do it for a week or 2 straight, it becomes easy. In addition to that, I would have a blitz day, usually once a week, where I really pushed it and did 60, 70, 80, 90. Sometimes I even hit 100 contacts in a day. Now, it's simple, but it's not easy. Why? This starts to fight against you. Today's world makes it way easier. You guys can still door knock like I did, but now you have the 3-line dialers, the 5-line dialers, the 10-line dialers, Enzo, call tools, batch dialer. You guys have way better technology than when I started. I was mesmerized by a 3-line dialer, the Mojo dialer, when I started. Now, most of my team and coaching members use batch, Enzo, call tools, right? They use a mixture of all those or more than one. But you guys have no excuse to not be talking to that many people. Now, if you're watching this and you're crushing it, you're already doing 30, 40, 50 deals a year or more, then maybe you don't have to focus on doing 50. Let's even it down to 20 or 30 a day. You still got to make your contacts, right? But every single one of you who's not doing at least 1 or 2 deals a month consistently, you have more than enough time to do this. Even if you're doing 2 deals a month, you have enough time to do this. 50 contacts a day. I put that first for a reason. Many of you suffer eternally as a real estate agent because you refuse to accept this. A lot has changed in our industry, but more than a lot has stayed the same. This is a people business. This is a contact sport. You need to talk to people. AI and all that isn't going to replace a face-to-face conversation. Have you begun to notice that people are already getting sick of AI? AI content, AI pictures. Now, a lot of the trolls online will tell you, oh, realtors are out. Look, most people transacting right now are older. They're not even aware of what's going on, nor are they even that interested in it yet. The average home buyer is 40 years old. Most people who are selling are significantly older. Most people out there, 60, 70%, I think it's 70% of the mortgages right now are paid off. It's like 60 or 70% in the United States. We're not in a crisis. We're in an internet troll crisis. And many of you pay more attention to that instead of getting out there, getting off the internet and social media and talking to people. Now, I get it. You have to face your insecurities. It's challenging. Maybe you've never done anything like this before, but this is why you guys need to get the help that you need. Most of the students that I get are just like you. Introverts, shy, scared, but they commit. They come and learn from me and they say, you know what? I'm going to conquer this. You need to conquer this. The moment that you get past this business becomes so much more joyful and easier for you. I'm telling you, I had to conquer it and climb that mountain just like you're going to have to. But if you commit to doing 50 plus contacts a day, I'm telling you, don't even commit for the year, y'all. Give it 90 days where Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, you're going to do 50 plus contacts a day. I'm telling you, you will finish those 90 days a different man, woman, business person. You'll have tons of leads. You'll probably have a couple deals, and you'll come back to this video and say, wow, you are totally right. So much is going to change. But most people won't do it. They'll do it for a day, maybe 2, maybe a week, and then they fall off. The key here is consistency. Talk to 50 plus people every day. It will expose your weaknesses. You'll get way better and more skilled in communication. It will change your perspective on the industry. You'll start getting more leads and you know what to do with, and it'll reveal to you what the next step is, what the next weak link in your chain is. Okay? The only other advice I tell you is get a coach, but that's up to you. All right? That's number 1. Number 2, and this is a 2-parter. Talk to 5 to 7 sphere of influence, people that you know, that you've worked with, that are in your phone, family, friends, friends of friends, acquaintances, neighbors, people that you know, people that are in your sphere of influence, your database, whatever you want to call it, your CRM. Talk to 5 to 7 of them every day, every work day, and make it a goal, 3 to 5 to it every day. So when you're talking to these 50 plus people, you should be able to add 3 to 5 of them to your database, even if they're not ready to do business now. Why? Over time, this is how you grow your database. And then a year, 2 years, 3 years from now, that database starts paying you huge if you work it properly, if you have the systems in place and you're contacting them, you're dripping, you're doing the events, you're calling them, you're texting them. If you have the budget, you're doing some mailers, right? They're following you on social media, you're doing your events and seminars. Now you're marketing yourself to these people who are already warm to you and that know you. And 6, 12 months, 18, 24 months down the road, that starts paying huge dividends, because what you want, if you build your business correctly, after about 3 years-ish, you should start getting predominantly most of your business from your database because you built a big one. Imagine if you work 200 days a year, which isn't a lot, and you add 3 people, let's be conservative, a day. That's 600 people you would add to your database in a year. That's 1,800 over 3 years. Let's say you removed half of them. That's still 900 people that you would be marketing to that you've already met. If only 5% of them gave you business, that's 45 deals. Let's say it was 3%, that's 27 deals. Any amount, let's say it was 1%, that's 9 deals. That would already put you almost in the top 2% right now in the industry, because the top 2% sell between 11 and 20 homes. And that was last year. I'd be curious to see when the new statistics come out. It's probably even worse. Talk to 5 to 7 people that you know every single day. Add 3 to 5 to your database every single day. This will absolutely revolutionize your business. But again, the 50 contacts, and that has to be a daily thing. You can't just do it once. It's got to be a daily thing. All right, let's continue. Number 3, intention on setting appointments. This is the biggest one. This isn't a game of, oh, I'm just going to talk to 50 people. No, the mindset every day is, I'm setting an appointment. I'm going to find somebody who wants to buy or sell, and I'm going to set up a meeting with them. You're on the phone with them, or you're at the door, you're talking to people. The question is yes still possible? And if it is, you keep going. If you can't get the appointment because you don't have the skill set, that's okay. We'll develop the skill set. But the intention, every single chat, from your first one to your 50th and beyond, is I'm looking to set appointments. We're not looking to chit chat. We're not looking to see how people are doing. We're not looking to talk about the weather. We are looking to set appointments. The people who aren't ready now, that you have a good conversation with, add them to your database. We are here to set appointments. No appointment, no contract. No contract, no deal. No deal, no money. Real estate license turned in, you retire. It's that simple. Make the intention, setting the appointment. When you role play with people and you practice, you always set the appointment. You're always ready to set the appointment. You're always ready to set the appointment. You're always wanting to set the appointment. Catch my drift? When this becomes your mindset and your lingo, your conversations take different shapes. Why? You become much more of an expert, you know how to lead them, and you know the conclusion that you want is a signed contract, an appointment, or moving them down that line to help solve their problem, which is buying a home, selling a home, or investing in real estate, right? Make the intention, set the appointment. Make that a mantra of yours, an affirmation. I set appointments daily. I set appointments daily. It will change the game for you, okay? Number 4, follow up. Hot leads, every day, follow up. Follow up. Oh, Bryan, but I'm scared. Pick up the phone. Oh, Bryan, but I'm not sure if they're gonna pick up the phone and call them. Contact them. Well, I might be bothering them. Call them to find out if you're bothering them. Call them. So many of you do all this work and then you fumble your follow-up. Number 1, because you don't have a system. Get one. This is why you need help. But number 2, why would you do all that work and then not follow up? When you guys agreed, you chatted, you know that they want to sell or buy, why wouldn't you follow up? Even if they get upset. Oh, Bryan, why are you calling me? Hey, Mr. Client, I know we spoke a couple days ago. I told you that I'd call you back, right? Yes, you did. Well, I'm just honoring my word. That's the type of agent you would want to work with, correct? Yes. So I'm not here to bother you. I'm just here to continue the conversation. We were speaking about blah, blah, blah. Are you still on track for XYZ? Is that still the case? Is that still something that you're looking to do? Great, yeah, move the conversation forward. That's it. You're not bothering them. And even if you are, clarify. I gave you my word. That's why I called you. I gave you my word, and I honor my word, sir. Can you respect that? Follow up. 80% or more of your appointments are going to come from follow-up. Don't get enamored or messed up with the one call closes that I post and that other people post. You're missing the hundreds of contacts where we get told to go F ourselves, stick our foot up where the sun don't shine. You're missing all of that. You're just seeing the highlight reel, slam dunk, alley-oop. I'm trying to dig up some old footage of bloopers I want to post for you guys, just so you can hear like 5 or 10 minutes straight of me getting told to go F myself and all the stuff that would make you laugh, just so you can see what it's really like. I have people in my coaching program in my community live streaming every morning, making calls. I love that. But they show you most of that time it's dead. They're not talking to anybody. They're not getting appointments. But if you listen, they'll get appointments. They'll get appointments. They'll call for 2 or 3 hours and get 1, 2, 3 appointments. Cool. That's the whole goal. But there's moments of glory, but there's a lot of work that's being done. Follow up. Okay? Lastly, skill training 1 to 2 hours a day. That is not watching content. Skill training is you're watching a coaching lecture or getting coached by your coach, which I'm happy to help. Click the link below, schedule your call, and or role play. I recommend an hour minimum a day of role play, actual role play with people on Zoom or on the phone or in person, where you practice diligently as a minimum. But specific training for sales and communication and 1 hour of role play. That would be your minimum. 1 hour role play, 1 hour of training per day, 5 days a week. If you're a rock star, you'll do more. I personally role played 2 hours a day when I started. That's why by the 3rd month, people thought I'd been in the business for years. Why? I role played a lot. I read the scripts, I memorized them, I practiced them, I recorded them, I critiqued it, I gave it to my coach. I do 3 calls a week with my students, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, where we go over stuff like this and we do specialized training. That's what it takes. And the people who participate on that are the people who are doing $200, $300, $500, $600, $700,000 or more in commission every time. Because that's who I was. I showed up on every call. I practiced a lot every day. I showed up ready and excited. Hey, anybody want to volunteer? Me. I'll do the listing presentation in front of everybody here at the event. Not a problem. And I would kill it. Why? Because when nobody was looking and when I was back working, I did it every single day. So if you commit to that, again, this is your plan for the year to break 6 figures. Commit to 90 days. Let's make it a small little chunk compared to a year. 1 quarter, 90 days. 20 work days a month, that's 60 days you got to do it. Can you do it? I think you can. I think you can commit. And if you do, your 2026 is going to be amazing. Because after about 2 or 3 weeks, you're going to realize I can do this. It's habit. I'm seeing a lot of change. I'm seeing a lot of change within me. Now the real estate business is going to become fun. But if you sit back, watch ads, consume content, jump from one person to the next, and you don't really lift a finger, nothing's going to change and you'll be out of the business like most people. 9 out of 10 agents are out of the business within a year or 2, guys. That's the facts. 25% of our industry is slotted and predicted to leave by the end of this year. Facts. We're getting farther and farther away from this, the essence and core of our business, and we're falling for fluff. All these people marketing to you, you can just do a Zoom webinar and get listings. They're bullshitting you. You can just do this. You can just dance in front of the camera and you'll get 6 listings a month. They're BSing you and you know it. But you want to skip the basic hard work because you know it's going to require you to show up and actually work. Come on, guys. Okay? So, to 2026, cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you need help, schedule your call. Let's talk about coaching. Otherwise, grab some of the free stuff that I have in the description for you, scripts, all kinds of stuff. In addition, you can follow me here on Instagram and TikTok. I have that in the description as well. Keep a lookout for some of the new content coming, but this is your blueprint for 2026. Simple. Anybody can implement. Anything else I could do for you guys, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.